Hey, good morning, everybody. Eddie Collins here from Hot VWs. I'm here with Tony. We're here at the Roadster Show in Pomona.
That's right.
Crazy, crazy cars. And in a second here, Tony's going to go ahead and show us his car. So here we go. So Tony, I've been checking out your car, and I mean, every single time I take a peek at it, I notice something cool. But real quick, explain the German folks. What you have to have in order to be in this club.
Sure thing. Well, the first thing is, something like this. This is my 55. It's a US spec 55. And of course, one of the mandatory things that you have to have real Porsche alloys, nothing fake.
Wow.
So it's tough to find, but we find them. And even our spare tires are real.
Wow.
So this is, like I said, a US spec 55. So it does not have the semi-pores. It does have the rib doors.
Sweet.
The rib doors.
Was it originally a black car?
This one, no, it was not an original black car, but I've always wanted a black car with red interior.
Nice.
It's just super classy.
Oh, look at the armrest.
Yep. Look, it has an armrest. One of the things with GFK is accessories. Try to keep as stock as possible and get some accessories in here.
Wow.
Lower them. Porsche alloys, narrow beam. This one does have a full set of Wilwood brakes, front and back, all disc brakes. They're all Wilwood. I don't know if you can peek through there.
Yep.
Big motor. Well, this one's not too big. I want to be able to drive it. So it's a 1915 with some 48s.
Yeah, just with
really
some 48s.
Nice. Really clean.
Nice. Very clean.
Really clean. Pop-out windows. And of course, to me, the prize, the window, the German folks window, it takes a lot to get, and I was able to accomplish it. This is the first show it's ever been to.
Oh, this is the first one, huh?
Yep, we just completed it. It's actually a Koch build. We built it up at Koch's. I helped out a lot, so I was hands-on with my car.
That's good.
So Bob, thank you so much, and Teresa, and Jaime, and Carlos, and the whole rest of the crew up at Koch's for letting me hang out and work on my car.
That is awesome.
Thank you guys. And like I said, it's a Koch build. You guys want any parts, accessories, you can always give us a call over at Koch's.
Love it. Cool.
Peace.
Thanks, Tony.